Okay, guys. So I think we are live. A very very good evening to all of you. A very very good evening. सभी का बहुत बहुत स्वागत है. And it's such a wonderful, opportunity, I would say, to be in front of you today after a gap of so many days. इतने दिनों के गैप के बाद आज मैं आप लोगों के सामने आया हूँ. I know that last 1 week has been very difficult for me. I had undergone a surgery because of which I was not able to take classes regularly on YouTube, but I'm assuring you I'll be back soon. But today's day and this announcement was so big and it was so important that I thought that I am not definitely going to miss this announcement, and that is the reason why I myself have came over here on this channel to make this grand announcement for you. So सबसे पहले मैं सभी जितने भी बच्चे हमें यहाँ पे देख रहे हैं अनअकैडमी सीए फाउंडेशन प्रो चैनल पे और हमारे नए चैनल अनअकैडमी सीए फाउंडेशन इंग्लिश, इन दोनों चैनल्स पे जितने भी बच्चे हमें यहाँ देख रहे हैं सभी का मैं बहुत बहुत स्वागत करता हूँ. एंड हमारे साथ आज एक बहुत बढ़िया हस्ती है, बहुत अच्छे सर है, जय कुमार सर हमारे साथ हैं. सर आपका भी सर बहुत बहुत स्वागत है सर. आई वेलकम यू ऑल wholeheartedly.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, Anshul Sir. Thanks a lot.
So, sir, really, I tell you, it's a very different feeling because I'm taking a session live on YouTube after many days. I've undergone knee surgery on 30th of June, and thereafter I am still, I was given a general anesthesia and I'm still under that influence of general anesthesia, so not able to take sessions as of now. But yeah, fortunately, because of you, I got an opportunity to make come back on YouTube in this live session. So सभी का बहुत बहुत स्वागत करना चाहूँगा.
It shows your dedication and passion towards students and training. So I am actually very thankful and I am honored that you are here to present me in this platform. So thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir.
And I hope you really get well soon.
Yeah,
and
sure.
With the love of the students, you will get well.
Definitely, sir. I'm telling you, more than medicines, what will act, I can say as a booster for me is all the wishes and the love and affection of all the students. Thank you so much, sir. So my dear friends, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, आप लोगों ने कई समय से हम लोगों के सामने एक डिमांड रखी थी, एक रिक्वेस्ट रखी थी कि सर अनअकैडमी में जो आप लोग हमें पढ़ा रहे हैं वो सबसे बेस्ट है. मतलब इंडिया में कोई भी ऐसा यूट्यूब चैनल नहीं है जो सिर्फ सीए के लिए डेडिकेटेड हो. एंड इट्स नॉट जस्ट अबाउट सीए, इट इज ऑल्सो अबाउट सीए फाउंडेशन, CA intermediate group 1, CA intermediate group 2, CA final, and just for your information, even in final also we are going to now split between group 1 and group 2. So there is not even a single academy in India which is having so structured platform only for chartered accountancy course. हमें लगा था हम सब कुछ बेस्ट कर रहे हैं, सब सही कर रहे हैं, और इसी बीच में आप लोगों की तरफ से एक रिक्वेस्ट आई हमें कि सर you are definitely catering the most of the students, but you are missing out on those students who want to learn only and only in English language. We respect all the students, we respect the unity and diversity in India. India is a beautiful country which has so many states, and all those states are having different type of people. My dear friends, आपने कहा, हमने पूरा कर दिया. अगर आपको याद हो तो आज से कुछ दिन पहले मैं इसी चैनल पे आप लोगों के लिए एक एकेडमी का लॉन्चिंग लेके आया था, यशस एकेडमी फ्रॉम बेंगलुरु, जो अब अनअकैडमी का पार्ट है, और यशस एकेडमी अनअकैडमी प्लस पे कंप्लीट इंग्लिश की बैचेस लेने जा रहा है. लेकिन आज मैं आप लोगों के सामने और एक स्पेशल अनाउंसमेंट करने आया हूं, एंड दैट इज वी आर लॉन्चिंग a complete English speaking YouTube channel. Yes, my dear friends, it's a very big news. A complete English speaking YouTube channel, CA Foundation English. So my dear friends, go and subscribe to that channel right away. The link is available in the description. और इतना ही नहीं, मैं आज अपने साथ लेके आया हूं एक बहुत ही फैंटास्टिक एजुकेटर, एजुकेटर हु हेल्स फ्रॉम बेंगलुरु, been qualified as a chartered accountant in the year 2012 and carrying the massive teaching experience since last 10 years in and around Bangalore to the English speaking students. So with your round of applause, I would like to welcome Jay Kumar sir. Sir, very good evening,
Thank you
sir.
so much. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot.
So sir, how it feels to be on Unacademy, sir?
Sir, it feels very good because predominantly I've been, since the last 10 years, I've been traveling across parts of India, especially South India. I've traveled across all South Indian states. So one problem was, of course, there was a lacuna in terms of online education, point number one. And point number two was there was no platform where students could understand and learn and pick from various faculty, English preferred students, the students who like to learn in English. So I always believe that there are two schools of thought to it. Of course, as you rightly said, we need to respect all religions and all languages.
Correct, sir.
India in unity and diversity, as you said. But the thing is, there are two schools of thought from the observation that what I have seen. One set of students would like to understand everything in their mother tongue and then try to convert to English and write. And there are others, who write in Hindi medium. So that's fair enough. So we had to cater also to the students who definitely prefer English. Of course, even me, I am from Karnataka and I speak Kannada. Whenever I try to understand something, I definitely understand in my mother tongue and then convert. So that process and the students who wanted to understand and write in English, we really needed a channel and we really needed a platform for such students and educators to come together. So I'm extremely happy. So when Unacademy contacted me saying that we want to go big in those parts of the country and also to cater to students who want to learn and study in English, as you said. So this is a very good platform and I'm honored to be a part of this, sir. So thank you so much and thanks to the entire Unacademy team.
Sir, it is really wonderful. And to be very honest, we as a teacher, I belong from Rajasthan and Maharashtra. You are hailing
Right.
from Karnataka. I think, sir, we as a teacher not just do teaching. I always tell students, we also do preaching.
Yes.
बच्चे जो है ना सर, हम लोगों को आइडलाइज करते हैं. सिर्फ हम जो पढ़ाते हैं उसी को नहीं, बाकी चीजों को भी. तो मुझे लगता है कि हम लोगों को एक दूसरे का, हम लोगों को हमारे देश के अलग अलग स्टेट्स का, अलग अलग रिलीजन का और लैंग्वेजेस का पूरा रिस्पेक्ट करना चाहिए. एंड आई थिंक इट इज,
100%.
सर, इट इज एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट. द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया ऑल्सो गिव्स राइट to all the people
Right.
to choose the language of their whims and wishes.
100%. 100%.
So, sir, what do you think, sir? You are teaching CA Foundation Law. You are going to teach CA Foundation Law on our brand new channel, that is CA
Right.
Foundation English. Guys, I would like to still say that if you have not subscribed to this channel, go and subscribe to this channel now. That's very important. But, sir, what is going to be your strategy now? Whether it is July 21, November 21, can you please drop some light on it?
Sure, sir. So the thing is now the exams are around the corner. So generally law is a subject where people think it's very dry and it's very boring. But what they do not understand that the law, I feel, is the mother subject for everything. So once you understand why a law has been framed, because as you know, we are a country with so many religions, cultures, etc. We should also understand that even the customs form part of law. So in one part of the country, something that you do becomes a law. Whatever said and done, so we have in CA Foundation Indian Contract Act, that is the mother law of all the laws in our country. So rather than just understanding what is required for the exam, if we can delve into the history of each and every section and try to understand why the law was framed, that definitely creates a lot of retention value and recall value among the students. Having said that, we should not divert from the actual attention, that is the examination. So my plan would be for the ones who are writing in July, I would like to come out with some fast track batches and complete exhaustive revision batches, which is probably they would not have studied like that. Probably I would like to change the way they have been studying, or fine tune, rather I would not use the word change, fine tune the way that they have been made to learn all this while, and try to understand that what exactly is their problem with respect to law. Why aren't they able to retain? Why aren't they able to present? Because presentation is the key. From a objective point of examination, which was there in the erstwhile CPT, it has changed to descriptive. So it is very important for a person to present his views. Now, the problem is, while I'm transitioning while presentation, from my regional language, I have to write in English now. That would be maybe slightly difficult. So I would come in now to help in understanding why the law was framed. Second, how to assimilate everything in that given point of time. Third one, how to write the answer. So I would like to come out with a lot of revision sessions on YouTube and of course on the Plus program, whereby students who are writing just now in the next few days, I would be starting very, very soon, a thorough, exhaustive revision of all the concepts in law so that they can really go and as Unacademy's tagline, they can really go crack it. That is for the July examination. As far as November examination, it's a more exhaustive coverage where we'll have regular classes where each law we will delve very much deep into the subject. And I predominantly want to tell that my methodology is using the BEAR Act. Now, people shy away from the BEAR Act. We should know as chartered accountants, as future chartered accountants, how to read the BEAR Act. As simple as that. So I would try to inculcate that habit of reading the BEAR Act at this stage itself. So for the November students, I would also inculcate the habit of reading BEAR Act and try to analyze how the law is derived from that. But for my July students now, we are going to do exhaustive revision. That's the plan.
So that's really wonderful, and I actually appreciate the fact that you are going to teach from BEAR Act. Just to mention, because this thing you mentioned, so I just want to share something with you that, sir, I was a very average student till my +2, and I joined chartered accountancy because I've chosen as a commerce as my +2 stream. Now when I did commerce, I was introduced to a subject known as company law. So basically, even in 11th standard in Maharashtra board, we used to have a subject known as secretarial practice, which was all about companies. I don't know, sir, but somehow that subject SP and then the added advantage of that company law, it made me so inquisitive and it made me fall into love with law in general.
Right.
And sir, I have chosen also to do company secretaryship. So just to mention you, and all the students are aware about it, that I'm not done my graduation. I'm not completed my BCom, but I did CA and CS parallelly.
Excellent.
Sir, one thing I would like to reiterate what you mentioned to all the students who are watching us on both the channels right now. Sir has said absolutely correct. And this is what your all law teacher, whether it is Indresh sir, Swati ma'am, others sir, everyone has been iterating to you that if you want to get good marks in law, not just foundation, but also intermediate and final, you need to gain the legal language. That legal accent, that language is very important. And I think, sir, you will agree to this fact that there cannot be any better way to get the legal accent beyond, besides reading the BEAR Act itself. What do you think, sir?
100%, sir, because BEAR Act is the source code, so to speak. I mean, now we speak about a lot of software lingo. So the source code, so to speak, for the law is definitely the BEAR Act. So of course, when you start reading the BEAR Act, there are many things, many definitions which start with means, many definitions which start with includes. There are some lines which says notwithstanding, but just to the naked eye, like a layman, if you see, you would not understand. But once we delve into each and every section and understand, it's called the legalese, the legal language. We will come to know that a lot of things are derived from English is actually a language that has been copied from various languages. So we will come to know that English is a copy of French, Latin, and so many words. So once we understand the source of those words, that's called etymology. That is also a part of my entire training methodology. Once we figure out the meaning of those words, then the same words can be used across all the laws. So since you have finished company secretary course, you would understand there are so many laws in India, especially in the company secretary course and the CA course. We have to read law day in and day out. So whether be it in the syllabus, whether in the articleship going forward, so we need to be aware of what is happening around us. So once we understand the beauty of the legal language, the legalese, and once we break down each and every section, each and every word, then this would definitely help us in the future, and 100% will help us in the examination, because ultimately the evaluator would look for those keywords. Once he gets those keywords which you would have written, not go back in copy paste from the BEAR Act, but you would have written law in your own words using those keywords, that would seal the deal, sir. And been lucky to have many students who score 70, 80 plus across all three levels of CA, which was considered impossible to score so much in law. But in fact, it is as much of a practical subject as any other subject it is. And as you rightly said, the history of everything is very interesting to know. I have watch your classes as well, where you actually teach the accounts, history of accounts, how it came. That is very, very important for a student to know why this law came, rather than what is the law, why it came. Once the why is ingrained in the brain, then other things becomes smooth sailing.
That's wonderful, sir. Sir, I can see one student is asking a question on the live chat that, sir, when these lectures are going to start. So, have you made any schedule, any date, or any time from which?
Sir, we would be, yeah. God, thank you so much. We would be scheduling very, very soon. I think the announcement would come tomorrow of the entire schedule as to when it would start. We would start as soon as possible. Potentially tomorrow or day after, we'll be starting off because the exams are around the corner. We don't want to waste any more time. We are going to start off with our exhaustive revision classes very soon.
That is really wonderful, sir. That is really wonderful. And I wish you very, very all the best. Not just to you guys, I would also like to tell you that we are going to get educators for all the 4 subjects for CA Foundation in complete English speaking very, very soon on our new channel. So don't forget to subscribe that channel. I'll still say that those who have not yet subscribed to that channel, please do subscribe. Sir will be starting with his classes on YouTube for July 2021, and definitely after a few days he will be launching his batch on Unacademy Plus. But right now at this moment, if you want to join Unacademy Plus, subscribe to Unacademy Plus and watch the bestest batch of Unacademy platform, that is Lakshya November 2021 batch. All you need to do is just go on our website www.unacademy.com, click start learning. You can see goals on your left hand side. You can select CA as your goal, in which you can select CA Foundation as a sub goal. So once you click CA Foundation, you will get subscription button over here. You can press this button to buy Unacademy Plus subscription. You will get, there are 2 types of subscription. One is regular, another is iconic subscription. So Unacademy Plus is not just plus, as I always say, it is an Academy must, because these teachers, the Bahubali team teachers, are definitely going to teach you on YouTube. But if you want their face time, if you want to study from there personally, then you need to buy Unacademy Plus. So regular subscription comes with India's best educator, interactive live classes, structured courses and PDF and live tests and quizzes. But if you want added advantage like the icing on the cake, then you can go for iconic subscription. In order to take plus subscription, you can switch between plus and iconic over here and select the term of your choice, 24 months, 12 months and 6 months. And that's not it. If you want to avail discount, here there is a field, have a referral code where you can write my name, ANSHUL Anshul. That's all. It's no more or nowhere Anshul 10, 5, nothing. It is simply Anshul, and press apply, and then you can see all the prices have been slashed by 10%. Or you can even use code of Jaikumar sir. Sir, can you please tell your code to the students?
Sir, it is PJ Sir Law. My name is Punarvas Jaikumar. So I'm also
PJ Sir Law. Let me check, sir, if it's working or not. Oh yes, it's definitely working, guys. So you can either use sir's code as PJ Sir Law or my code ANSHUL Anshul to avail the maximum possible discount on Unacademy Plus. Guys, I wish you and as well as Jai Kumar sir a very, very all the best, all the success for this new journey, sir. I'm sure, sir, your presence with Unacademy are definitely going to take us to new heights. Wish you very, very all the best. पढ़ते रहो, सीखते रहो, आगे बढ़ते रहो, क्योंकि पढ़ना बंद तो सीखना बंद, और सीखना बंद तो आगे बढ़ना बंद. गुड डे, शब्बा खैर. बहुत ही जल्द मुलाकात होगी आपसे YouTube के रेगुलर सेशंस. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, guys.